Trinity, Treasure in the indoor pool. Treasure, say hi to the camera. Tell the sweethearts hello. Give a shout out. You both say, hello, Nelia. Who else? Aiden. Kenzie. All the sweethearts. We saying hello from Myrtle Beach. Yep. Yeah, you gotta pay for it. You gonna swim all the way from here to over there? Just the beach. Across the pool here. Ready? Don't forget that is shallow water, so don't hit your toe. Ready? Go. And you better be swimming like, okay, she underwater. I thought she was gonna swim on top. Don't hit your head or nothing now. Way to go. Now Treasure is going to attempt to swim across. Move out the way, Trinity. Treasure is going to do it. On the march. Get ready. We'll know when you get ready when you go. How about that? You want me to say it? Okay. On the march, get ready, set, go. Oh, she said, wait. Okay. Oh, okay, she forgot. On the march, get ready, set, go. All right, good going. Great. I like it, but you gonna push that water up your nose? What is that? That's a funny little kick there. I told you. Open it. Okay.